Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel, where automotive enthusiasts and DIYers unite. Today, we're diving into the world of diagnostics with the best Obd2 scanner. Unlock the power to diagnose and understand your vehicle like never before. Let's rev up the knowledge together. Number 1. Moto Power Obd2 Scanner. Automobile dashing away, this automotive wizard is a game changer for car enthusiasts. Lightning-fast diagnostics, user-friendly interface, and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles make it a must-have in every gearhead's toolbox. Say goodbye to mystery engine lights and hello to precision troubleshooting. The sleek design adds a futuristic touch to your garage, while its reliability ensures you're always in the driver's seat when it comes to your vehicle's health. Unleash the power of knowledge with the Moto Power Obd2 scanner, where performance meets intelligence. Number 2. Foxwells Obd2 Scanner, the automotive wizard every gearhead dreams of. Unleash the power to decode your car's secrets with this sleek, compact gadget. Foxwells scanner seamlessly marries cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, giving you a VIP pass to your vehicle's inner workings. From diagnosing engine hiccups to decoding mysterious warning lights, this scanner is your go-to automotive confidant. Its intuitive interface and lightning-fast performance make car troubleshooting a breeze. Don't just drive smart with Foxwell, your ticket to a smoother, worry-free ride. Number 3. Auto Obd2 Scanner. Unleash the power of precision diagnostics and bid farewell to guesswork. This sleek gadget seamlessly navigates through your car's intricate systems, decoding mysteries with lightning speed. The Auto Scanner isn't just a tool, it's your trusted co-pilot on the road to optimal performance. With its intuitive interface and real-time insights, it transforms car troubleshooting into a thrilling adventure. Say goodbye to the unknown and embrace the Auto Scanner, where automotive prowess meets cutting-edge technology. Buckle up for a journey of informed decisions and smoother rides. Number 4. Encel Obd2 Scanner. This sleek automotive wizard goes beyond diagnostics, offering a passport to your vehicle's inner workings. Seamlessly navigate through real-time data, detect hidden issues, and wave goodbye to those mysterious warning lights. The Encel scanner doesn't just speak car, it interprets the language of performance, giving you the keys to optimal driving. Its user-friendly interface and lightning-fast response make car troubleshooting a breeze. Elevate your driving experience. Empower yourself with the Encel Obd2 scanner, where innovation meets ignition. Number 5. Antio's Obd2 scanner is a game-changer for automotive enthusiasts. Unlock the full potential of your vehicle with this sleek and powerful gadget. Seamlessly diagnose engine issues, monitor performance, and clear trouble codes like a pro. Its user-friendly interface makes car diagnostics a breeze, even for beginners. The compact design ensures portability, fitting into your toolkit effortlessly. The real-time data display provides instant insights, empowering you to take control of your ride. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision. With Antio, your car's secrets are unveiled with style and simplicity. Elevate your driving experience now. In conclusion, selecting the best Obd2 scanner is crucial for efficient car diagnostics. Whether you prioritize advanced features, user-friendly interfaces, or budget-friendly options, the right choice enhances your vehicle maintenance experience. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and may your future scans be seamless and insightful.